Welcome! In this tutorial, we'll walk through the process of saving and managing files with the Bookmark Editor in SOLIDWORKS Connected using the 3DEXPERIENCE platform. Once you've installed SOLIDWORKS Connected, it's time to save your work to the 3DEXPERIENCE platform. Here I have a file called Break open, which is currently saved locally on my computer. You can see from the orange icon in the 3DEXPERIENCE task pane that it hasn't been saved to my 3D space yet. Before we proceed with saving, it's essential to verify the settings to ensure the file is saved to the correct 3D space. If you're using the software for the first time, you'll likely be saving to the common space. As you become more familiar, you might set up additional 3D spaces and connect to them as an author or leader. In our case, I'll be saving it to the True Champion space. I'm going to click Save. Then click on the part and select Save with Options. While you could simply hit Save to store the file in the designated 3D space, I prefer to use Save with Options to also add or choose a bookmark for easy access later. In the top left, I'll click on Select Bookmark, which opens the Bookmarks interface. I can add a new bookmark, or if you already have some created like I do, you can choose from those. I have a few bookmarks already set up, and I'm going to select the Automotive Industry bookmark for this file. With the bookmark chosen, I can either apply it to the selected file or to all parts in the project. Let's start by applying it to the selected file only. As you can see, only the break file is bookmarked. Now, I'll apply the bookmark to all parts, and you can see they're all bookmarked. I'll go ahead and hit Save. Once saved, the 3DEXPERIENCE task pane confirms that the file is up to date and exists in my 3D space, indicated by the green check mark. If I want to gain write access and let others know I'm working on it, I can right-click the file and lock it. The key symbol shows that the file is locked, meaning only I can work on it. When I'm finished, I'll unlock it so others can access and edit the file. One of the most efficient ways to locate your files in the 3DEXPERIENCE platform is by using the 3D Search Enhanced with 6 W tags. This feature allows you to search based on any information you know about the file, such as a description or custom property. For example, I'll search for break. Once I've entered the term, the file quickly appears in the search results. From here, I can use the drop-down menu next to the file to open it directly in SOLIDWORKS. Alternatively, I can drag and drop it into the workspace from wherever I find it. Another convenient method is using the bookmark we created earlier. I'll close this file and show you how to access this app from the compass icon in the task pane. Search for the Bookmark Editor and click on it. This will launch the editor in the task pane. When I click on the Automotive Industry bookmark, I can see the break part. From here, I can either use the drop-down menu to choose where to open it, drag and drop it into SOLIDWORKS, or simply click to open it directly. That's it. You've now learned how to save, manage, and organize your files efficiently within SOLIDWORKS Connected using the Bookmark Editor and the 3DEXPERIENCE platform. Happy designing!